My family physician noticed I had a heart murmur, and last summer he said, "I want you to see Dr. Selke."
In Jack's situation, he had narrowing of the aortic valve, and once they determine that needs to be addressed, the patients are sent from their general cardiologist to Mercy Health.
The structural heart disease program is for people to be evaluated for a minimally invasive procedure to correct their valvular problem.
I was in the hospital 3 days, never took one pain pill. It just went like clockwork. And if they didn't have this new procedure, I might not even be sitting here today. I tell you, this is a miracle, and I'm very appreciative. My hobby is theater, and now everything's perfect.
We're offering procedures less invasively, and patients are getting out sooner. That's ultimately our goal, is get people back to what they like to do and enjoying it.